Good morning students. Today chapter 2nd measurements. Learning objective to know the parts of a circle. Whatever have the parts the circle want to learn. First you know already center, diameter, radius. This year for you study the sector, length of the circle, etc. Next, calculate the length of arc and area and circumference of the sector. Next, to calculate area and perimeter of the combined plane figures. What is the meaning of combined plane figures? Rectangle, circle, triangle, all the one fiction there. The combined figure to you find in the area and perimeter. Next, to understand the representation of 3D shapes in 2D. What is the meaning of 2D, 2 dimension and 3 dimension? You see the picture. This is a one picture. This is called the 2 dimension. The full shape, all the one you studying, one side, second, third, fourth, down. All the one is called the 3 dimension. Simply see means that is the 2 dimension. All the shapes showing for that is the 3 dimension. Okay. First introduction. To an important aspect in everyone's day-to-day life is to measure. Whatever you measuring there, length of your rope, the distance between the two places, finding the perimeter and area of the plants and lands, building, etc. So this is called the measure. Okay. Now it is said to be the biggest invention by man. What is that one? Wheel. The wheel is otherwise called as the cradle of invention. Cradle meaning is tottil. Cradle of invention. Okay. Whatever building construction. So this all the one and all. The circle sector. This one part is called the sectors. How to fix that? One. Using that 22/7 circle area pi value. Follow here that dining table. Whatever circle shape they are using in the pi value there. That building you see that are fixed their square shape, triangle shape design, rectangle, whatever shapes and all combining. The first one is part of a circle, radius. This is the center. One circle, their center point is compass. Use and draw the circle coming the center. One point that is called the center. Okay, the fixed point of the circle is called its center. The fixed point of the circle is called the center. This point is center. And the constant distance is called its radius. Constant distance, the center to whatever drawing this distance is called the radius. This distance is called the radius. This all the one is, what is that one? Radius. One circle has many more radius. This all the one is called the radius. This distance, this constant distance is called the radius. What is the meaning of radius? The fixed point of the circle is called its center and the constant distance is called the radius. Center point is 0 I am writing. That constant distance is here to O and A is called the radius. Here one point, this constant distance also O and B is another one radius. Now AB distance is called the diameter. AB distance is called the diameter. OA is one radius. AOB, this one straight line is called the diameter. Diameter is the chord which pass through the center of a circle is called as diameter. A chord which passes through center line to passing this line, this is called the diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. What is the meaning of chord? That now C and D point now join, this is called the chord. Diameter also one chord. Here to here join this one line also chord. Whatever that some line is called the chord only there. Okay, what now diameter, the chord which passes through the center of a circle is called as diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Sector, center point. Now one picture I am showing now, this one part is called the sector. That to one point to join, this is called the arc. This is called the arc. The full space is called the sector. This full space is called the sector. So now one piece of round piece is they're eating for, they're cut and eating that, you know, this cutting part, this full is called the sector. Next here to join in this line, this full space is called the segment. Okay, this is called, this 2 points simply come the arc. So you see that this arc is called the arc. The circle from join this 2 point, this is called the arc. You cut it one arc. Geometry box to saying that is called the arc. Now center point O, small part, this is called the minor segment. This full part is called the major segment. Sector, what is the meaning of sector? A plane surface that is enclosed between two radii. Enclosed, here to one radii, there to one radii, two also enclosed, and the circular arc of a circle is called the sector. This is called the arc. These two radius also the two radius circular arc, these two radius and circular arc, all the one joined, that is called the sector. The plane surface that enclosed between two radius and the circular arc of a circle is called the sector. Segment, each part of the circle which is divided by the chord, this is one chord, this is divided by the chord, this is called the segment of the circle. Major segment and the minor segment, the parts which has a longer arc, this full arc, longer arc is called the major segment, smaller arc is called the minor segment. Central angle, the radius of the circle O is the vertex, OA is the radius, OB is another one radius, that making an angle is called the theta. This is called the angle, central angle. Formula, theta equal to one circle making an angle equal to 360 degree. So for your protector half is 180 degree, remaining half is what degree there? 180. 180 plus 180 equal to 360 degree. The full circle is making an angle is 360 degree. So angle sector, central angle formula, theta equal to 360 degree divided by n is the formula. Formulas, central angle of the circle. Central angle of a circle is 360 degree. Full circle is making an angle equal to 360 degree. Area of a circle equal to pi r square units. Area of a circle equal to pi r square units. Circumference of the circle, outer boundary is called the circumference. Circumference of the semicircle equal to 2 pi r units. Length of the semicircular arc equal to pi r units. The area of the semicircle equal to pi r squared by 2. Area of a circle pi r squared by 2, full circle. The area of the semicircle meaning is half circle for by 2, right, means over this formula square units, right. Area of a semicircle equal to pi r squared by, semicircle equal to pi r squared by 2 square units. Length of the arc L equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. Length of the arc L equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Area of the sector A equal to theta by 360 into pi r squared square units formula. Area of each circle of the sector equal to 1 by n into pi r square units. If length of the arc is given, then the area of the sector equal to LR by 2 is the formula. Next, perimeter. Perimeter of the sector equal to L plus 2R units. Perimeter of the semicircle formula equal to pi plus 2 into R. How to the read? See there? Pi plus 2 into R units. Perimeter of the circular quadrant equal to pi by 2 plus 2 into R. Pi by 2 is separate. Should not write this like pi by 2 plus 2. This is wrong. Pi by 2 is separate. Pi by 2 plus 2 into R units. This all the formula use and do this exercise sum. Exercise 2.1 fill in the blanks. The ratio between the circumference and diameter of any circle. Ratio is asking the circumference and the diameter. The circumference formula equal to, what is the formula? 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle formula equal to 2 pi r is to, ratio for you writing is to, diameter is denoted, the letter is, what is the letter? D. D equal to 2r. 2 pi r is to, diameter is, what is the one? 2 into r. 2 radius. One circle is there. Okay, this is center of the circle. This full length is called the diameters. So 2 radius is called as the diameter. So here one radius, here one radius. Total number of the radius equal to 2 into radius. R equal to D is the formula. So here 1 2, there 1 2, you code there. 1 2 is to 1 2 is to. Here 1 r, there 1 r. So here answer is pi is to 1. Pi is to 1 is fraction form equal to, what is the form there? Pi by 1. Pi by 1 equal to, what is the answer there? Pi is the answer. The ratio between the circumference and the diameter of a circle is pi is the answer. How to come the answer? Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Diameter equal to D. D equal to 2 into R is the formula. 2 radius, you get it that 1 diameter. Joining, you get it the diameter. So D equal to 2 into R. 1 2 is to 1 2 is to strike out. Next pi r you strike out. Remaining is here, balance is pi. There is 1. So pi by 1 fraction form. The pi by 1 equal to answer equal to pi is the answer. This filling the blanks for answer is pi. A line segment which joins any 2 points on the circle is called is dash. Any point, a line segment which joins 2 points on which on a circle is dash. Okay, see there, one circle. The line segment joining is point is called the chord. Any points. Here 1 point. This is called the points. Here 1 point, there 1 point. This is point. This all the one is called the chord. Chord is answer. A line segment which joins any 2 points. Any 2 points. Here 1 point, there 1 point joining. This is called the chord of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter also one chord only. That is the, compare all the chord. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So a circle from joining any 2 points is called the chord. The longest chord of the circle is diameter. The longest chord of the circle is called the diameter. Next, fourth one, the radius of a circle of a diameter equal to 24 is dash. They are given in the diameter is D equal to, they are given D equal to 224. What is the value of, they are asking in radius. R equal to how much there. So this is one circle. See there, this full diameter equal to what centimeter is there given? 24 centimeter is there given. Half is the radius. So 24 half is how much there? Here 12, here 12. So chord of radius of the circle equal to, what is the answer now? 12 centimeter. Otherwise you don't know, means R equal to D by 2 is the formula. D value equal to 24. 24 by 2 equal to 12 centimeter. Here answer is 12 centimeter is the answer. A part of circumference of a circle is called as dash. Circular arc. Part of a circumference of a circular. See there, this is the circumference. Full outside boundary is called the circumference of the or perimeter. This is called the outer boundary. There 1 point, 2 points I am giving. This is called, what is that one? Circular arc. Circular arc. A part of a circumference of a circle is called as circular arc. First filling the blanks, the ratio between the circumference and diameter of any circle is pi is the answer. The line segment which joining any 2 points on a circle is called the chord. Next one, the longest chord of a circle is called the diameter. The radius of the circle, find the diameter equal to 24, radius equal to half of the diameter, so 12 centimeter. A part of a circumference of a circle is called as the circular arc. Filling the blanks is completed there. Match the following. Area of the circle is asking. Formula must want to study, otherwise can't do the sums. Area of the circle formula equal to pi r squared. First one answer is here. Pi r square. Next, circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is, what is that one? Circumference of the circle. Circumference meaning is perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the circle formula equal to, what is the formula? 2 pi r. This is the 2-1 is the answer. Next, third one. Area of the sector of a circle. Area of the sector means angle must want to come. Angle for formula equal to 360 divided 3 theta by 360 degree into pi r squared is the formula. Pi r squared. This is third one answer. Next, fourth one. Circumference of a semicircle. Perimeter of the semicircle only asking. Pi plus 2 into r. Perimeter, circumference, all the one same meaning. Now this fourth one answer is second one. Next, area of the quadrant of a circle equal to 1 by 4 pi r 1 by 4 into pi r square. This is the fifth one answer. See there, area of a circle, study must. Area of a circle equal to pi r square. Circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r. Area of the sector of a circle equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r squared. Circumference of a semicircle equal to pi plus 2 into r. Area of the quadrant of the circle equal to pi r squared by 4 or 1 by 4 into pi r squared. Third question, find the central angle of the shaded sectors. Each circle is divided into equal sectors. They are given in the sectors. Okay, that central angle want to find. All the circle is divided by equal sector. So find in the central angle of the sector. Now formula equal to theta equal to 360 divided by n. What is the meaning of n? Divided by how many parts is there find? First circle for equal to, right, 360 degree divided by how many parts is there have? First part, second part, divided by 2 equal to 1 2 is 2, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16, 180 degree. First one for 180 degree is the answer. Second one also same formula, theta equal to 360 divided by n. So 360 divided by how many parts is there have? Count there, 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 5. 5 7s are 35, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10, 72 degree. The same also, theta equal to 360 divided by n equal to 360 divided by how many parts? Count there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 part. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 part is there. How you divide the number? 8 4s are 32, remaining 4, 5 8s are 40, 45 degree. Next question, theta divided by 360 divided by n. How many parts is there have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 part is there have. So 360 degree divided by 10. equal to 36 degree. Very easy the sum. 360 divided by how many parts? 2 part divided by 2. Here how many parts? 5 parts divided by 5. 360 divided by 8. 360 divided by 10. 0 0 cancel. Answer is 36 degree. Fourth sum. For the sector with given measures, find the length of the arc, area and perimeter. Pi value equal to 3.14. You want to substitute and find that. This sum for three sums want to find. Find the length of the arc first you find. Next area, perimeter. This one sum for 3 steps is there. Length of the arc want to find, area and perimeter of the sector want to find the sum. First sum, central angle equal to 45 degree, R equal to 16 centimeter. See there, central angle equal to 45 degree, R equal to 16 centimeter. First length of the arc find there. Length of the arc formula equal to L equal to theta degree divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. Now L equal to theta value equal to central angle is called the theta. Theta degree equal to 45 degree. 45 this substitute by 360 degree into 2 into pi value equal to 3.14 substitute here. 2 into pi into r for pi value equal to 3.14 into r value equal to they are given in 16 centimeter, right. 145 is 45, 845 is at 360 degree. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16. Remaining number is what is the number? 4 into 3.14. 145 is 45, 845 is at 360. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16. 4 into 3.14 equal to answer 12.56 centimeter. This is the length of the arc is find. Next you want to find in the area of the sector. Area of the sector formula A equal to theta degree divided by 360 degree into pi r squared. Theta value equal to 45 degree into 3 by 360 degree into pi value equal to 3.14, r value equal to 16. The square given for whole square. Start the bracket and write it the square. Centimeter squared. Must want write in the units. 145 is 45. 845 is at 360 degree. Next use in the table. 8th table. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. So 3.14 into 2 into 16 multiply and get the answer equal to 100.48 centimeters squared. Next, perimeter of the sector. P into L plus 2 into R. 2R units is the formula. L value equal to already find in the length of the sector equal to 12.56. Substitute this value here. 12.56 plus 2 into R value equal to 16. Here 2R meaning is 2 into R. 2 16s are 32. Add the number 12.56. 32 point here not there how you put in the point and add in the 20, add the number, get it the answer 44.56 centimeter. The same method second sum also. First sum for they are given in the radius, they are given here given in the diameter. Central angle equal to 120 degree, D equal to 12.6 centimeter. So diameter change into the radius, formula equal to D by 2. Central angle theta equal to 120 degree, diameter equal to 12.6 centimeter, R equal to formula D by 2, 12.6 divided by 2 equal to 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 0.32s are 6, 6.3 centimeter. First find in the length of the arc. L equal to theta degree divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. L equal to 120 divided by 360 degree into 2 into pi value question from that given in 3.14 into r value equal to 6.3 centimeter. 120 is 120. 120 is at 360 degree. 13 is 3. 2 3s are 6.13 is 3. 2 into 3.14 into 2.1, all the one multiple and get the answer equal to 13.188. That see this before next number is 5 above 4, so equal the number, add here one number, answer equal to 13.19 centimeter. Length of the arc. Area of the sector formula A equal to theta degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square units. Theta value equal to question from the given in 120 degree divided by 360 degree into 3.14 into r value equal to 6.3, here square for 6.3 whole square centimeter square. There cancel the number, 120 is 120, 120 is at 360 degree, 13 is 3, next step for you write there. 120 is 120, 120 is at 360 degree, 13 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 1. So 3.14 into 2.1 into 6.3 centimeter square. Write it there and multiple and write it the answer equal to 41.54 centimeter square. Next third one, that find in the perimeter of the sector P equal to L plus 2R units. L value equal to 13.19. 13.19 plus 2 into R value equal to 6.3. Multiply this two number, get it the answer equal to 12.6 centimeter. Add and write 25.75. P value equal to 25.79 centimeter. Fifth sum is very easy there. Only find area of the sector find means over the work must read the formula from the measures given below. Find the area of the sector. Before some 3 steps you doing, this sum for only 1 step. What they want to find a area of the sector. Length of the arc equal to 48 meter, R equal to 10 meter. L length meaning is L equal to 48, R value equal to 10. Area of the sector formula equal to L R by 2. L R meaning is L into R divided by 2. So 48 into 10 divided by 2. 1 2 is 2, 5 2 is 10. Multiple and right means answer equal to 240 meter square. That's all over the sum. So area of the sector answer equal to 240 meter square. First sum is completed. Second sum, length of the arc equal to 50 centimeter, R equal to 13 centimeter. What is the formula? Area of the sector formula equal to LR by 2 square units. L value equal to 50 into R value equal to 13.5 divided by 2. 1 2 is 2, 25 2s are 50. 25 into 1 13.5 multiple and write and get the answer equal to 337.5 centimeter square. Area of the sector equal to 337.5 centimeter square. This fifth sum is very easy.